probably the last person you want to be seeing right now. But, I'm here anyway because I'm really annoying. I'm gonna be eating some Japanese foods that my grandma's best friend brought in here. Anyway, this is my baggie. We're gonna be trying sodas, rice cakes, other stuff, whatever. Anyways, these are the rice cakes. Shelly Senpai rice crackers. I guess they're not rice cakes, they're rice crackers. They have these weird little white spots. Okay, so they come in a little pack of 2. So let's try it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. The topping is just like, I think it's sugar, and the cracker part is just like really salty. But it has nothing to do with rice. There's absolutely no rice on this at all. It's just like, the consistency is the best consistency I've ever eaten anything. Okay. And now, this we actually have here where I live. They're called Hello Panda. And they're pretty much just like, this is plain cracker, completely plain, and then the inside is like chocolate filling. But it doesn't like run or anything. It's like hard, kind of. It's not runny at all. But I actually have these all the time. But they're not American. They are from Japan. But we also have them here. I always find it so hard to open. It's always like really hard for me. I got it. All by myself. So this is what they look like on the box. Just like that. And then this is what it looks like in real life. These little pandas on it. And the chocolate on the inside, it's not hard, but it's not runny. It's like cream, you know? Like the inside of a Kinder Egg, like that. It's so good. But if you ever find this box at a store, buy it. Ask your mom and dad, scream at them until they will get it. I don't have 2 bites. Little ASMR. You can hear the chewing of the actual food. Okay, sorry. But yeah, that was pretty good. Mom, stop it. Next we have Botan rice candy. Hey, give me some. Okay. There's also a cat one, so I'm gonna give my sister the ugly one. And they come with little stickers, it says right there. So I've actually never tried this before, ever. Like, I've never even seen it, ever, literally ever. So if you can hear my mom vacuuming, I'm sorry. It's getting really loud. The sound quality is probably really bad. Ooh, okay, that was not what I was expecting. So, they're just like little traditional candies, but I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Because it did say rice on it. Do not get me wrong. Ooh, okay.
I got a raccoon.
So there's like powder. There's white powder. It kind of looks like cocaine, but don't want to get demonetized over here. Anyway, it is flour, but yeah, it's getting all over my hands. I actually have really high hopes for this one. I do feel that it will be good. It's just really hard to open. Mom, stop! Okay. Pretty sure I will say that that the plastic is the most hard thing to get off. I've been sitting here for so long.
Are we supposed to eat that part?
Maybe we are. Actually,
It's part of it.
it is.
I'm stupid.
It's part of it.
Tastes like pasta.
Yeah, that the little layer on the inside is meant to go with it. Not the outside, but the inside. So, let's try it. Hmm. Very nice. Ah. It starts off good when you're chewing it for a while. And then once you've been chewing it for a while, it's really gross, like bad. In my opinion, it's the consistency of when, like the first,
Tastes like soap now.
yeah, it tastes just like soap. But when you first bite onto it, it's the consistency of a Starburst when you've been chewing it on a, you know when you've been chewing on a Starburst for like a minute? And it, not a minute, oh my god, like 20 seconds, and it starts getting chewy. That is the first bite. That's what consistency this is. But I do still have hopes for the stickers.
What sticker did you get?
Okay, so the lights just went out. I got this really cool guy.
Let me see him. I don't have my glasses. You have to come here.
No.
Oh my god, do I have to go in there?
But I look so good with it on. Hold on. Let me... Okay. Well, the light isn't gonna work.
Never. Oh!
Okay. This is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna wear this for the rest.
Got a raccoon.
I want to show them.
Okay.
She got a raccoon that's obviously jumping onto this. I'm wearing this for the rest of the video. I did save the best for last, and I think it's the best because a lot of people on YouTube soda by them. So, this says Ramoon. I don't know if it's supposed to be Ramun or Ramoon. I'm just gonna say Ramoon. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it says carbonated soft drink, meaning it's soda. But it says original flavor, so there's probably a series of flavors back at Japan. I'm actually gonna take this off, it's pretty annoying. There probably is a series of flavors in Japan, but you know, I only got original flavor and strawberry. Okay. So Japan is very inconsiderate about being able to open it. Okay. So the top comes off, and then there's this little nub. Okay. I'm just gonna keep on rubbing it until it comes off. It's not a fortune. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you when it comes in, because I've seen people do this before. I do know.
I think you're doing it wrong, mate.
I do know that it takes a lot of pressure to do it. So I'm gonna have to use a pen. It goes like this.
Is this the thing it came with, Riley?
Yeah.
You're doing it wrong. You're supposed to use
Oh,
this
okay,
and then
okay.
pop it really hard.
Alright, I'm sorry. So I did not know that.
Why else did you think they gave you that?
I don't know. I thought it was just protection. So this is, my sister just told me that you push this down and it puts the ball in.
See, it says it right here. It shows you how to do it.
Oh, well, I'm kind of stupid. I'm going to show you what it's like when it goes in. Actually, it's very cool. I've seen people do it. Look at that little fizzy nub. It looks so much better in real life, but you know. And then you have this huge hole to drink from. It smells so bad. Smell it.
I don't think I want to.
It smells the worst.
It doesn't even smell bad. What are you talking
I
about?
feel like I might actually be allergic to this. Okay. I'm sorry to tell you, but there is no explanation for what it smells like.
It smells like candy.
Okay, so the first sip is kind of bad. This was my experience. I don't know what's going to happen to you. But my experience was the first sip was interesting, and I didn't really want to take another one. But I took the other one. And the second one's pretty good. But what I say for Japan, you need to start having lids so it doesn't dry up. But I'm going to try seeing if this is actually supposed to be their lid. I think this would keep it to not get flat, but it doesn't help for if you tip it over. So Japan, word. I have a word for you. Get lids. So good. It tastes, if you're from here, America, or wherever place, but mainly America. If you know what Sprite is, because you might be from somewhere else, but if you do know what Sprite is, it tastes just like that. Like, so, yeah. It smells really bad, and it makes you not want to drink it, but it does not taste as bad as the smell. This one is strawberry, much cuter of packaging, because little strawberries flying everywhere. Okay, and now I know that you take the lid that it comes to and you press it down. There you go. So I'm going to show you. This one's actually pink. What it's like when it goes down.
Is Dad back?
I hope so. Okay. If you do what I did, it does burst on your hand. Just a little bit.
What does it smell like?
This one smells so good. It smells like cherry Jolly Ranchers. Kind of. Just a little.
Smells like when you mix strawberries and sugar, but less strong.
Yeah. It smells just like strawberries and sugar. It's so good. Okay, let me try it. It's really bad. Japan, this doesn't taste like soda. You're gonna call this soda, and it's just not gonna be soda? I'm drinking the Sprite one. I'll just stick to America. Okay, I don't like this one either.
Get down!
Shut up.
Wait, is it Wednesday?
But then she also, for some reason, got us Gushers, which is American. Very, very American. Like, extremely American. But I'm still gonna eat it. If you guys have never had Gushers before, they are fruit snacks, but on the inside it bursts into little juice. Oh my god. Every single one is red. But they're so good. Get Gushers. They're shaped like diamonds. I really hope the sound quality wasn't bad in this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Comment down below which one you would try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.